This is my 1997 Lincoln Towncar Limousine with stacks, pretty epic, 6 doors, 9 passengers. It will hold so many people. You can party wherever you want with this bad boy. It's got the 4.6 V8, but we'll talk about that in another video. Today, we're gonna clean the town car. You can see it's a disaster, covered in dirt. The interior is terrible, so let's see what we find inside this car, because I haven't touched it since I bought it. And let's see what the paint looks like after it's cleaned up. I'm absolutely gonna commit sacrilege and wash it with the brush. There's really nothing else I can do, and it's not like the paint matters anyway. You can see it's spider-webbed underneath the dirt. So that's when you know it's very, very rough. Also, my American flag gave up on life. It's unfortunate. I guess we'll pull it out of there and let the Lincoln logo go home. Amazingly, the Spirit of Ecstasy, that's what that's called. Yeah. Amazingly, the hood ornament held this flag on at 80 mile an hour for hours. The flag gave up for sure. It's all plastic and it ripped to shreds. It's kind of odd. It has like a hybrid soft top and metal top. This part's still metal. All the paint's faded out. This part's soft. Hail's destroyed it. And in the back, as always, the soft top gave up. Here's the interior. We're gonna clean some of this out. Open up one of these massive rear doors, and this section of the car is actually really clean inside here. It is full of spider webs, and I guess it's also full of rust, I just noticed. The windows are dirty, the windshield's dirty. I didn't touch any of it. I left it all for you guys. Look at all that dirt. Yeah, they did the custom koozie thing for their wedding. We're gonna throw it away. Found some Gucci sunglasses in here. I'm assuming these are fake, but if they're real, I think they're worth more than the car. They do have Gucci engraved on the lenses and Gucci on the side there. Who thinks they're real? I won't throw those away. The car came with a tape adapter. I tried it, it didn't work. Error 3, I don't know what error 3 is. The water's mine. And there's some nasty cologne in here. Cup holders are full of lag bolts and money. Got some empty cigarette packs. I know the story was this limo belonged to a preacher that drove the car around. I'm not sure I believe that. It may have belonged to someone that was heading to California to smuggle straws into the country, because straws have been banned. That's a lot of straws. What were they preparing for? Is this the straw apocalypse? The hotel room key in here?
We can make it brand new.
Automotive touch-up paint, 97 Lincoln.
We're touching it all up.
Wow. Is that the primer or the clear coat? What's the other one?
Clear and dark blue.
All right, what's above you here? We got some American Broadband, Missouri channel guide. We got a channel guide. What's this bad boy? This was part of a gift card. I don't know, there's enough money in here to make it worth it. This is a magnifying glass. Cool. We're gonna throw all this in the trash now. And the car wash is free, so let's get in there and start scrubbing. And we also found some Dr. Pepper can, rag, another straw. Oh, so nice.
This is how you really work it into the paint.
Yeah, listen to that friction. I'd say it needs claying. Just claying it would probably solve all of these clear coat peels. That seemed pretty successful to me. We got the whole thing washed in like 4 minutes. You can tell the windows are still absolutely terrible from the inside. Look how much dirt is on these windows. But the body itself probably looks all right. Let's get it out of this wash bay and see what it looks like in the sun. Now we're here at the car wash with free vacuums because it's going to take a long time to vacuum out this 9-passenger monster. weren't kidding about this.
Yeah, I almost touched that.
That's nasty. All right, we're gonna start by cleaning the windows because you still cannot see out of the windows at all, even after scrubbing every piece of glass with the brush at the car wash. We're gonna take a look at the engine bay power of this monster. You know, I'm gonna take the leaves out of there and the rest of this, I think we're just gonna leave it. Amazing. Clean. All right, we spun this thing around real quick. I didn't clean out the trunk yet, so let's look inside. First, it's actually tricky to get in there. You have to use this weird key electric switch in the door. So we're gonna put our key in the door here, turn it and push it, and it sounds like it released. Oh, look at that, it opened all the way up. It's like a 7 Series. Fancy limo, fancy. Everything in the back is full of leaves and sticks too, so let's vacuum those out real quick. I grabbed some gloves for this one. Oh, these gloves are so tight. What are they, smalls? I know I bought bigger gloves from Harbor Freight. I don't know why I buy anything from Harbor Freight though. That's cheap. No! All right, let's get this stuff out of here.
Oh my God.
What on earth? What is this? All right, there's fuses. I gotta keep those. I'm gonna keep these funnels. Can't throw those away. One of these big old ratchets, I kind of forgot what they do. I think it was for the jack. We've got this ratchet, which is cheap junk, but I'm not throwing it away, that's for sure. This is just the manual. Oh, the manual's nasty, dude. Oh, look, it won't. It's so bad. I might throw the manual away. You think I should toss it back?
Yeah, keep it.
Whatever. Here's the fuse block cover, full of dirt. It's always good to have some of these push fasteners and the screws. Whoa! Yeah, trash. That's just some of the tools inside here. Why are there so many lug nuts that never went on this car? We got a relay back here, some wheel weights that appear to have already been stuck, so we're gonna trash those. This is probably the manual for this, honestly. Ford Workshop DVD, it's one of the eBay knockoff ones, really crappy. All right, money and tools we will keep in this lighter. That lighter can go. Oh, another socket. 1/2-inch drive, 12-point Craftsman socket. That's quality right there. All the rest goes in the trash. Let's do this. Scoop all this trash out of here. Oh, it's so nasty.
It stinks like dead body back there.
It smells like dead people have already been put in the trunk. All right. There's the first load. Here goes another one. It's time to suck the trash out of here. I'd say that's what you call a marked improvement. There's not too much more we can do for the limo because it's, you know, it's a little bit of a lost cause in reality, but it's clean enough to drive around and clean enough to get 9 people in. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.